We got a quick package here today. Going to be replacing the hubcaps on the 2025 Model 3. I'm not a big fan of the OEM wheels that they came with, dude. Seriously. You don't like them?
I want to see the actual wheels. It makes it, actual wheels look good, no? I feel like they look decent.
I think they do. So we'll see. We're going to take off the caps and see what's going on. First, I do want to unbox these just because I got them used off of Amazon. I never usually have a good experience when I buy used, but we'll see what's going on. Bro. Oh, they look so... Whose socks are these? Nah. Okay. It came with the installation gloves, as you can see. The condition on Amazon said that they were...
These actually look like they were
used like new. Yeah. Boom. Okay. No, this one's clean.
1 out of 4 clean.
It's so funny. I've never thought that I would buy hubcaps, bro. Like, this is so funny.
On the phone, so the phone don't go flying.
This is nice.
What's this for?
Sound insulation. Like, you're supposed to line them up in, like, the insides. You're supposed to, like, line up the wheels with the sound insulation. Kind of gives you these, like, small directions.
Oh, you're showing the Tessie caps.
Oh, I didn't even know that they come with Tessie caps. Yo, that's fire. What?
Close. There's 4 of them.
Oh, bro, that's solid. Comes with 4 Tesla caps. I did not know that they were actually going to come with Tesla caps. They look pretty solid so far, no? And then second one's good too, so that's solid. And
2 for 4.
2 for 4, let's see. Third one's solid too. They look like they're brand new. Yep. Last one, let's see.
Come on, 4 for 4.
Come on, man.
Wendy style, 4 for 4, baby.
I'm crying. Wendy's big bag? Yeah, solid. 4 for 4. Done deal. Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're probably going to just pull the stock hubcaps off the car now, and then we'll
grab
see
the
what's
gloves.
going on.
You
We
wanna
get the
actually
gloves
be
though,
fancy.
you know? You just kind of want to go slowly. You don't want to break anything. And don't force it. I'm kind of using my weight, pulling back. Dang. That is solid.
They're not bad.
The wheels are pretty nice, no?
They're not what I expected, honestly. I've seen the other ones. I think I like the other one.
With they're straighter, I think these ones
Yeah.
are spiral.
These are clean though.
I'll take off the other one too. Get a good side shot. And then,
I just got a good side shot. You don't got to worry about all that.
no, of 2 wheels though.
Oh, 2 wheels? Hold
Yeah.
up. Wait. Let me do my thing then.
Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, it does look pretty sick though, no?
I mean, they're just not for me, bro. To me, like, my honest opinion, I feel like these look like aftermarket wheels. The other ones that they come with, the ones that came on before this this model, yeah, I felt like they look more OEM.
I would say that that's definitely, I can agree with that. They kind of like put it out on the outer edge.
Okay.
So I'm assuming that it seals it if it's already not sitting flat. So what we did here, I just want to show the wheel real quick. It's getting a little bit dark. You kind of put this double-sided tape. The one side is sticky, one side's like a cushion around the entire wheel. We also put the center cap on, so we're gonna see how it looks. I'm assuming these ones, they can only go on one way. They're gonna click on where the valve stem is, so you kind of line them on. All right. As you can see. Yeah. All right.
It gives it way more contrast. I'm actually interested to see what it's gonna look like.
Do that, boom. Line that up again. I like to put my knees down here. Palm it. Put your knees down here and just kind of holds it in place. Set.